Welcome to OpenSApp. Today we're going to go from an Excel file to a mobile dashboard like this in just 1 minute. First, insert all the charts that you would like to see where you know how to build them in Excel itself. Then go to opensapp.net and upload your file. You can also leave it in the cloud of your choice or on your server if you like. In the next step, confirm that this is the data you would like to work with. And then pick a template, in this case the dashboard. As you can see in the preview, all your charts were recognized correctly and instantly imported into your mobile app. Now with just a couple of clicks, make your app look fantastic by picking a theme. You can also make all kinds of changes manually inside the preview, like adjusting the height of the elements. But let's say that we're happy for now. Then all that's left to do is to name the app and click on the Create button. And there it is! We just created an interactive mobile dashboard from an Excel sheet in under 1 minute. To instantly make your new app available to your colleagues, open the menu and click on the Share option. Now simply select those contacts that you would like to share your app with. And done! Creating dashboards and sharing them instantly has never been easier than with OpenSApp.